Hello aspirants. So as you know, there are only 3 or 4 months left for your UPSC exam, and you also know that toppers used to say that UPSC is a journey. So journey which you travel for 1 year. Now in this 1 year, 7, 8 months or you can say 9 months you spend in learning the syllabus. But the last 3 or 4 months are very crucial, where you learn how to consolidate whatever you have learned in last 8 or 9 months. So consolidation is one of the important part. So in consolidation you have to focus on the priority areas which is required for this exam, or you can say some important topics which will help you to clear this prelims exam, and these topics are predictable in nature. So this can be done only when you focus on consolidation. So that is why 3 or 4 months are required only for consolidation. Now keeping this thing in mind, KSG and team has come out with a program that is PT Destinaire, where our team will focus on important areas which help you to clear the cutoff of prelims. So to clear cutoff, you need to solve minimum 50 questions. That is 100 marks and you are in. Now, our team will help you to achieve this target. So, Rachit sir, who will make you aware about the past. So, I am talking about that he'll teach you history. BM Panda sir, his knowledge will help you to know about India and the world. So, he'll teach you geography. Raza sir and Ankit Sharma sir, he'll tell you how Indian political system is working. So, he'll teach you polity. Myself, Himanshu, I'll tell you how to make money or how to increase the GDP of a country. So, I'll teach you economy. Ashish sir, he'll make you connect with the nature. So, he'll teach you environment. And similarly, there are two other important teachers which deals with important part of the prelims, that is CSAT. So, they'll make you learn how to solve calculations, or you can say life is maths, as well as how to comprehend the life. So they'll teach you CSAT, and the name of the teachers are Kapil sir and Shakil sir. So this is the complete team of KSG which is going to help you in consolidation process, that is through a very special program PT Destinaire.